boat trip on Windermere. It's my first time in the Lake District, and it's a beautiful, beautiful lake, especially on a day like this. So I hope you enjoy this. I couldn't get into the world of Beatrix Potter, but well, life. Can't always have everything. So let me take you on a little boat trip instead.
Oh, how old is she?
She's 3.
3, still young. What's her name?
Dottie.
Dottie. Oh my God, nice to meet you, Dottie. You enjoying the trip?
Yes. Can't wait to go for a swim when we get there.
Oh my goodness, really? She's that brave?
Oh yeah, she's all she wants to
Loves
do.
swimming. Loves it.
Really? In freezing water? Ah, she's so brave. Braver than me.
Stupid.
Oh, beautiful. Beautiful. Beautiful dog. Beautiful dog.
With a friend now, eh?
Yes, we're gonna be friends. BFFs. BFFs. Beautiful fur. Jesus, they're so smooth, aren't they?
Yeah.
Oh.
Out the way. Come on, out the way.
Windy. Too cold. Oh dear.
Flowing in through the gap in the trees here is trout bear. It's one of the